everyone, it's Dawn and welcome back to my channel. So whenever I'm sitting on the floor here like this, I usually have an unboxing, and I do have an unboxing for you today. And it is a Dooney Bourke handbag for the fall, and I'm super excited. I didn't even take it out of the box or look at it at all. The only thing I did right before I turned on the camera was slice the box open. So I will be seeing this for the first time with all of you. And I'm really excited about this bag, and I'll tell you why when I show it to you. But it isn't from their latest collection. Dooney Bourke released a collection of Western style handbags. And if any of you watch Jdee, my best friend here on YouTube, she is kind of like a cowgirl. She has horses and cows and things like that. And that collection makes me think of her. And it's really cute. But I live in Illinois, and I mean, I guess I could carry around a Western Dooney bag, but anyway, the one that I purchased is from the collection previous to the release of this latest Western collection. I know I have a lot of Dooney lovers out there, and some of you only watch my handbag unboxings. So if you're here, it's probably because you wanted to see this unboxing of this Dooney bag. So I am gonna unbox it for you. I did have a video that I recorded about a year ago, I'm guessing. It might not have been quite that long. Well, no, it had to have been, because I was sharing with you what's in my handbag, and I was sharing what's in my summer Dooney Bourke bag, and this was last summer. And this is my zip satchel, and I never put the video up. I'm not sure why. Sometimes when I pre-film videos and then I film other videos, I feel like that video that I filmed out is, way out, is not really relevant anymore, and then it never goes up. So I never privatized it, but I left it unlisted. And what that means is that anybody who has the link to it can watch the video. Well, I never shared the link with anyone, but Jdee and I have noticed this. And if you have a YouTube channel, you may have noticed this on yours. You can let me know down in the comments. But I left it unlisted, and somehow people have been able to come in and see it. Not very many. I think it has like 111 views, but 3 of you have commented on it. And I find that so strange, because it was unlisted and I never shared the link, but somehow it was recommended from YouTube, or they shared the link. Anyway, I was thinking that I might put that video up for all of you to see in case you're interested in this handbag. Like I said, I filmed the video like a year ago, so whatever I'm talking about in that video probably isn't the same anymore. Or maybe it is, I don't even remember. But this is the zip satchel. It's an older Dooney Bourke style, but I love it. If I could get this bag in several colors, I would. But I love it. It's got the feet on the bottom, great bag. I will review it in that video. So if you're interested in seeing that video, it will go up the same day as this one, and you can either choose to watch it or not. But I'll put this one up first, since it's more relevant to today. So what I've got here is a big old box. I ordered it from the Dooney Bourke or the I Love Dooney website. There's a couple websites that I go to when I purchase Dooney Bourke handbags. I either go to like the I Love Dooney, I go to the Dooney Bourke, or I go to QVC or HSN and see if they have the bag that I'm looking for at the most reasonable price. This is the box. And like I said, I'm hoping that I'll want to keep this and add it to my fall and winter collection. And I'm just opening up the box, and you can see my bag in there. It is black and brown. I wanted to get a black and brown handbag because I wanted it to match. In the winter, my coats tend to be black, tan, or brown, or like off-white, and it will match everything. So I got that. I chose that color. Oh, look, it came with a cute little, this is an advertisement for their little Western collection. It's got a little duck with this is the symbol on the Western collection, the 2 horseshoes. Isn't that cute? It's a sticker. I don't know what I would stick it on, but it's cute. And then the bag is just in this, so I'm gonna open this. And this bag comes in 2 sizes. This is the regular size bag, and let me tell you what this bag is called. I'm gonna get my glasses really quickly. This bag is called the Handle Tote, and it comes in 2 different sizes. I have the regular size, but there is a size smaller, and they are like a crossbody bag or a handle bag that you would carry with the handle. So this is what it looks like with everything still in it. I like the size of it. And I'm gonna put the dimensions of this bag on the screen so you'll see it like right now. And like I said, there is one smaller. And I'm just gonna quickly take out the packing and come right back. Okay, so I'm glad I did that off camera because you all would have fallen asleep. Every single bit and piece of this was wrapped in plastic. So this is what the bag looks like. And again, the dimensions are on the screen, and I'll put them in the description box. So it's black, and it's got the darker tan vachetta, which I like. You know, some bags, they have the lighter color, like when you first get a Louis Vuitton bag or even some Dooney bags. I like when it's already patinaed like this. Has the feet on the bottom so you could set it down. And this would make a great handheld bag. So I'm gonna show you the size. I'm 5'8". And you can't get it up onto your shoulder. The straps are not long enough for that. There is a tote in the same style that you could use as a shoulder bag. So it's got the little Dooney Bourke fob here, little, I don't know, it's not a keychain. I don't know what to call this, but that's there. It's got the little zipper in the front, which is perfect for your phone or your keys or whatever you need to have quick access to. And I like that it zips securely closed, no pocket in the back. Then when you get inside, it's just like pretty much all my other Dooney and Bourke bags on the inside, where it has one slip pocket here that's pretty deep. You can see that. Then it has another one on this side. And then it has a zip pocket here. I have the sheet in here where you can register the bag. And this has a zipper on it. So that one zips closed. So it does have organization inside the bag. That's one thing I really like about my Dooney and Bourke bags, is that I don't need to use a separate organizer. They're all fairly organized on the inside. And this one does have a zip closure. So it zips closed, which I like. The zippers are so nice. I'm sure all of you have probably had a Dooney and Bourke bag, but they are just top-notch quality. For the price, they are even higher quality than Louis Vuitton bags. They're just amazing bags. You will have them forever. So this is what it looks like. And then it did have a dust cover inside the bag to store it. And it came with a crossbody strap. So, and this is adjustable, really adjustable. There's a lot of little slots on it, so you can adjust it and make it a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. So I'm gonna put this on, and it just has your little thing to attach it. Okay, again. And it is on the longest. It adjusts on both sides. Let me see if I can show that to you. It adjusts in 2 different places. So you can, actually you could take this piece out. See, it attaches here and here. And then these 2 sides will attach, and it will make it a shoulder bag. So all you have to do, you can make the crossbody bag shorter by putting it on the smallest or the furthest out rung in the strap, or you can take this out completely and make it a shoulder bag. So anyways, this is what it's like. I am going to use some leather treatment to put on it. I always do that when I first get a bag. I know I'm going to keep this. I've been wanting this. and I think it's gonna make a great fall bag. And I hope you enjoyed my review. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to my channel, and let me know, do you love Dooney bags? Have you ever had one? Are they bags you're considering getting? Give me all the details down in the comment section. I love interacting with you, and I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. I'll see you next time.